Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a brand new feature on Instagram Reels, sharing notes with your followers on other people's content. Let's get started. First, open up Instagram and find an interesting reel. I found this one to demonstrate. Once you've found a reel you like, tap on the share button, which looks like a paper airplane icon. In the pop-up menu, you'll notice a new option in the bottom left corner labeled Add Note. This is where the magic happens. Tap on Add Note and a text box will appear. Here you can type your message. Instagram gives you the option to choose who can see your note, whether it's your followers, people you follow back, or just your close friends. Once you've crafted your perfect note, tap Done. Your note will now be displayed alongside the reel, adding to the conversation and engagement. If you ever want to delete the note, it's just as easy. Simply tap on the note itself and a new window will pop up. At the bottom, tap on Delete Note and poof, your note is gone. And that's it. You've learned how to share notes with your friends on other people's reels. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.